Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers e-filing the 1095B forms through the IRS's air system. Requirements include a transmitter control code and a test file. Both of these requirements must be completed prior to e-filing the actual ACA file. Step 1. First, you must get a transmitter control code to use the air system. You can find the information about the application for the TCC on the IRS Air System website. You can also review the tutorial for the application process as well. Step 2. Once the transmitter control code is received, you will create a test file and upload that file to the air system. The file will be automatically generated using our test data. Please review the Generate the Air Communications test file instructions. The link for the test file is located in the Online Air Systems box in the middle of the screen. Step 3. Once the transmitter control code has been received and the test file has been approved, you can now create a file to upload your ACA information to the IRS Air System. To generate an IRS Air Communications test file, open the 1099 ETC program. At the main menu, select the ACA filer. Highlight the pair and click OK. Select e-file and the Generate Air Communications test file. Select the form to create the test submission. In this case, select B. Enter the transmitter information and click OK. This screen displays the information for the two test files, manifest and data, created for the test submission. You will need to upload both files on the IRS Air Testing System. After uploading both test files, please record the receipt ID that the IRS provides. The receipt ID is the only way to check the status of the return. IMS has not way to retrieve the receipt ID. Click Yes to connect to the IRS Air system to upload the file. In the Online Air Systems section, click User Interface, ACA Assurance Testing System. Follow the prompts to upload the file. Once the transmission is uploaded, you must wait until it has an accepted status. This normally takes about 30 minutes. Then call the IRS at 1-866-937-4130 to have them verify the receipt of the transmission and move your transmitter control code for the test system to the production system. Once this is done, you can create a production file. To create a production file, open the 1099 ETC program. At the main menu, select the ACA filer. Highlight the pair, ABC Payroll, and click OK. Select e-file. Select 1095B. Select IRS Air format. Select Original. At this point, if there are any warnings or errors, the preview dialog will display. Review or print the warnings or errors, correct and then resubmit. If there are only warnings and no errors, you can continue to create the file. If there are no warnings or errors, or they have been corrected, the air transmitter information screen will display. Fill out the transmitter information. The transmitter information is the company or person submitting the file. All transmitters must submit a test file prior to e-filing the actual forms. Select the file type. Once the test file has been approved, select Production as the file type. Click OK. Click Continue when the process is complete. This screen will list the information that you will need to upload the files using the IRS Air system. It shows the directory where the file is created and the file names. Remember that there are two files that need to be uploaded. When uploading the files, you must make sure to upload the data file with the corresponding manifest file. We recommend that you print the summary and have it available when you upload the files. Once the files are uploaded, A receipt ID will be assigned when the transmission is confirmed. Please write the receipt ID on the printed summary. You will need it to check the status of the file on the IRS's website. Click Yes. On the IRS website, find the Online Air Systems section. End User Interface, Production System. FOLLW The IRS instructions on uploading the file. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.